Hey, Bravehearts, you need to check this restaurant out, okay? All right? Because at this restaurant, you can be a real swinger, okay? So follow me, and you're going to meet Dan the Man, okay? In my phone, it's Dan the Laundryman, but I'll tell you why that is in a few minutes. Come on. All right? Oh, there he is. There's Dan the Man. Okay, hi, Dan. How are you?
Wolf, good. Good to see you.
All right, listen, everybody. So this is Dan. And Dan has, he makes fresh juices, don't you?
Yeah.
Why don't you tell them some of the drinks you make here?
So all of our juices are fruits and vegetables, no ice, no water, run through the exprimador. Is that how you say that word?
Okay, yep.
We do the frozen smoothies as well, all
Yep.
freshly frozen fruits. The juices we do, carrot, ginger, lots of beet, a couple of green juices, and any combination you can think of. As long as we can get the vegetable, we can make the juice.
Absolutely. And there it is. And you also make great salads, don't you?
Yeah, so we've got a Buddha bowl salad, a homemade vegan dressing. We do a broccoli salad also with a homemade vegan dressing. We used to do a Caesar and a spinach. We can still make them, but they're no longer on the menu because they were the least desired.
Okay.
Everything's fresh. Everything is homemade. All of our dressings are also available for sale in half-liter quantities.
And you're open from what?
We're open from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., closed on Wednesdays.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you close at 2 p.m. all the time, even on weekends?
Even on weekends, yeah.
Wow. What are you doing after 2 o'clock, Dan? I want to know. Oh, no, we don't want to know.
I can't tell secrets.
All right. Well, it doesn't end there, guys. Follow me and Dan, okay? Just follow us. We've only got a few steps to go. So, understand, Dan, where are you from?
I grew up in British Columbia and then lived in Alberta before moving here.
Okay, so you what? We have to say that again.
I grew up in British Columbia and then lived in Alberta before moving here.
All right, and I just want to put something to bed for all the Americans and Canadians and Europeans.
Yeah.
It's pretty dangerous here, eh, Dan?
Absolutely not.
Yeah.
This is one of the greatest places in Mexico. I've traveled all throughout. My wife is national. This is where we've settled, and we absolutely love it. The media doesn't want you here, but we do.
Yeah, and guess what? And this is the truth, Dan will tell you. And I've told you this before. Sometimes we'd have 200 people at the Dock of Detox World Healing and Training Center here. That was just 2 years ago, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And guess what? And when I say this, you can back it up. We never had one person go to the police for anything. You think about that. And then you take that in Canada, United States, or Europe, or anywhere else. You wouldn't have gotten that. And also, a lot of gringos that come down here, some of them aren't aligned properly. And we've had the police, we've had even people that live here walk the gringos back to our place because they couldn't find their own place. Is that true?
Yeah, the Mexicans here are all warm, welcoming, and they want this town to stay as safe as it is.
Yeah, and it is. It is totally safe. Come on over. We're going to show you what else Dan does. He doesn't just fill you up, but he actually will clean you up. Won't you, Dan? Huh?
Yeah, our laundromat was actually open before our restaurant.
Yeah.
And so the laundromat's coming on 4 years now. The restaurant's 2 years, and we've actually moved and expanded to a larger locale. And it's only 44 steps away from the old one. And you'll see it here as you come around this corner. We've got a new LED sign that's lit up in the night. And this is the new laundromat here. So it's right around the corner. Everything's the same phone number, just a larger facility.
And guess what, everybody? Anybody can afford to do laundry in Ixtapa. And I'm serious, okay? Dr. Sage Wolfe, okay? All right? He's got his own washer dryer, and he doesn't use it, okay? Just to let you know.
20 pesos a kilo, 24-hour turnaround. It's hard to go wrong.
Yeah, okay? So let's fill you up. Let's wash you up. And just remember, we are Braveheart Nation. And if you want to see more videos like this about the Ixtapa Zihuatanejo area, go to DOD5star.com or BHNapp.com. And just remember, when it comes to juices and when it comes to your laundry, Dan's your man.
At El Sonido de las Olas in Ixtapa.
Thank you, everyone. God bless.
Thank you, guys.